Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Clear Voice English. Do you ever feel a little lost at the airport? All those signs, announcements, and questions can be overwhelming, especially in English. But don't worry, because today we're going to turn that airport anxiety into airport confidence. Let's master the essential English you need from the moment you arrive until you're safely on your plane. First up, you arrive at the airport and head to the check-in counter. You'll hear,
"Can I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?"
and they'll ask,
"How many bags are you checking in?"
if you have a large suitcase, you'll say, "I have one bag to check in." If you only have a small bag to take on the plane, you can say, "I only have a carry-on."
They might also ask, "Do you have a window or an aisle seat preference?"
A simple "aisle seat please" or "window seat please" is perfect. After you check in, you get your boarding pass. This little piece of paper is your golden ticket. It shows your flight number, your gate number, and the boarding time. That's the time you need to be at the gate to get on the plane. Next stop, security screening. An officer might ask you to take your laptop and any liquids out of your bag and place all electronic devices in a separate bin. Just follow the instructions and you'll be through in no time. Once you're past security, you're in the departure lounge. This is where you can relax, grab a coffee, or do some duty-free shopping. Keep an eye on the departure boards. These big screens show if your flight is on time, delayed, or boarding. When you see "Go to Gate" or "Boarding" next to your flight, it's time to head to your gate. At the gate, they will announce when it's time to board the plane, usually by group or row number. Just show your boarding pass and passport one last time and walk down the jet bridge. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the airport in English. It's all about knowing these key phrases. Practice them a few times, and your next trip will be a total breeze. What other travel situations would you like to learn about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Clear Voice English for more useful English lessons. Happy travels!